Everybody, let me just. Here we go. I'm not gonna take credit for this. I saw this on Pinterest, but I thought really cool freaking idea to carry a lot of good stuff with you, and it's compact. You can fit it in a little space in your bag or whatever. So it just really gave me that. I looked at it. I was like, I need this in my life. I gotta have this. And when you're running around and stuff, when you're at work, or whatever, you need grab something. You might have some thread and stuff. So, but before we get into that, that thumbs up. If you could do that, I'd really appreciate it. And if you could hit that subscribe, I'd really appreciate that even more than the thumbs up. If you could do both, that would be freaking amazing. But if you just did one, please hit that subscribe. I thank everybody so much who has done that. I really, really appreciate you guys. And I appreciate everyone that looked at that. So let's just loosen this up. Let's look at a little bit more. That's a little bit up there. Okay, there we go. So, you're a little tiny basic thick pen. That's a little thing on there. Yes, I did remove the ink cartridge from it, and I'll show you why in a second. As you can see all this stuff here, you got your safety pin, something rips, put a safety pin on it. You go in there, like so. Another safety pin. And yet another. Now, I'm not going to put the pins in there. I have a few little disc pins because they're going to come out of that. But you got your few little pins here and your sewing needles. I have a total of 2 sewing needles and 2 pins, so 5 pins, sorry. I have 2 sewing needles right there and 5 pins to just pin stuff up. Got my thread, got my duct tape. Now, you're going to say, what are you talking about? What is this for? Let me get the Victorian one here because we need that. One of the best EDC belts. So you take your electrical tape. Now you could put a smaller duct tape on here, but I'm not going to put duct tape on here right now. I wouldn't want to put a big piece of duct tape and then have to take that off to get to the thread. So not my thing. So I'm going to do, as you can see, some of that duct tape up on here. Duct tape meaning electrical tape. But you could definitely put some duct tape on here. And these fall off the tip. Just put that back in there. Spin it around, spin it around, spin it around, spin it around. And just take it off for a second. And I'm just going to spin it around a few times so we have a good, decent amount of electrical tape if we need it. And you can just do more than fix electronics with it. You can also fix other stuff. Not as good as duct tape, but pretty damn good if you ask me. So, put that on there. Cut that. In actuality, you could put a piece on the front, so you don't have to wait to put that. Yeah, I think we need to do that. I didn't even think about that. I was thinking about it. Yeah. You could probably put one of those X-Acto razors in there too, if you'd like. So you can put that on the tip, and then you won't be able to get the tip off. And then you could put your pins in there, and it does have room for more stuff in there. You want to put like a little pencil, something like that. Pretty sure it'll fit it. So let's put more pins in there. And you could even make a fire starting kit out of this. I probably will make one. Maybe we'll do that next. Fire starting kit. Okay, so pins, our sewing needles, like so. Check back on. Go. And you take your thread. And you can roll your thread around as I'm going to take it off camera. But there's many different things you could do with this. You can make a little fire starting kit. You could put some, you can put some jute twine around the outside. You could put some of those fire starting things inside. You could put some cotton. That is, the tape fell off the tips. That wasn't the best idea, but I'm going to run some of the thread around it, a decent amount. So this way, if you have, and as I told you, the tape fell right off the tip of it for some reason. But I'm gonna put black and white thread. The only reason I put black and white thread is that the most common one. You could put other threads on here, but I'm just going for the most common ones. And this is gonna be a quick repair. You're not gonna sew up an entire hem and taking a pair of pants on the field, like, or when you're running around or whatever. You're not gonna do all that. So this is a quick fix. And of course, once you use it, you could turn around, and you could use it for fire starting, but you could turn around and you could replace it, so you don't have to go crazy with this, per se. As I drop that whole spool on the floor, which is making it unwind crazy. It always goes down, but then it'll come back up. So I would just cut this now, so we don't just take up the entire thread. Look at that. Tori, you're not supposed to make me a liar. That's not the best pair of scissors ever. But just twist it around like that. And like I said, fire starting. What else could you use with this? You could have a little fire starter, maybe put some water purification tablets in there. Some, if you wanted some seasoning for when you're in the field, if you're gonna do some cooking or something, you could put all of that in there as well. So it does have many applications, and also, if you really think about it, I put a little just level that in place. But if you really think about it, this is such a small, compact way of holding your stuff. You take a lot of stuff from there that you're gonna use in a little tiny space. And you could put more tape on it. You could put masking tape if you're gonna use masking tape. There's tape that you can use, the double-sided tape for fixing cloth and stuff like that. So you could put one of those even on here, and that would really help it out. Whoop. So yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. My pins popped out. My next task is to get a little plug for that. I didn't want to put the ink pen back in here because I don't want to go through all that of modifying it. Because it's kind of a pain in the ass. I don't want to go through all that modifying that too. But you put yourself a considerable amount of thread on here. And like I said, I'm just using two of the common threads. Later on, off camera, I'll probably add a couple more threads, some more tape, stuff like that. I do have, I think I still have a little bit of my duct tape that was kind of like the size of electrical tape. So I would put that on there as well. Just so you could have a couple of more options for tape. And it's really good, like I said, for just fixing stuff up. And I'll just spin it on there. Just a little bit more. You don't have to go crazy. Like I said, this is for a little rip or a tear. You're not gonna like alter your suit with this. So you're in the field, you get a tear in your clothes, and boom, you need to just fix it up. Piece of tape on there to hold that thread so it doesn't unravel. And like I said, you could put, I think, those little golfing pencils. I don't know if that would fit in there, but you could put something like that, or you could even take the ink pen and mark it down a little, put a little wax on the end of it. But there you have that. That fits in your little admin pouch in your bag. You have, as you can hear right there, put it by the microphone better, but you can hear all the pins and needles, everything in there as it unfocuses. But you have everything in there. It's, we always looking when we're doing EDC stuff and we're packing to, for the apocalypse or whatever, or just packing to go to work. You can have something right there, and a whole bunch of stuff that would take up a ton of room. And you have it in one little thing. You don't have a big spool of thread. You don't have this and that. You have one little thing that you're good to go, and it's with you. So there you have people, the little EDC equip pen. I will take the tape off and re-roll it and add some more thread threads and some more stuff inside. I'll do an update, tell you what we did with it. But I really loved it when I saw it, so I had to do it and show you guys. Hopefully you do that. Put it down in the comments what you did with yours or if you changed it up. And like always, people, have a great, great